and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my May 2021 favorites. I did miss my April favorites, I am sorry about that, but last month was crazy and I was gonna do it at the beginning of May, but then something happened which I will touch on a little bit in a minute. If you are subscribed to my channel, you've already seen the video, but I did lose my best friend. He was more than just my cat. If you want to know more about his whole story and everything else, I will leave the video down below where I talk about life after loss of a pet, and it's actually the third pet loss video I've filmed for my channel, and out of all the animal losses I've ever had, his loss has definitely been the hardest. But here I am with my May favorites for you guys. As always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video listed down below for you in case you are interested in purchasing any of them, and if you've missed my past favorites videos, I will have a playlist linked down below as well. I think I'm on year 5 or 6 of doing these favorites, and you all still seem to like them. And without further ado, let's get started. If you've watched my favorites for a while, you guys know that I like to categorize everything, put all the beauty products together and everything like that, and I would say this first product would go with the first few products I'm going to show you, and it is the necklace I'm wearing and I have been wearing all month. And I was going to talk about it first, but I think I'm going to save it for last because I know I'm going to cry. So we will come back for this. Moving on to everything that is beauty related, I have 4 favorites. The first one is a lip treatment. This is the EOS The Hero Extra Dry Lip Treatment. I never knew that EOS came in squeezy tubes. I thought they only came in the little spheres as well as the sticks. And I saw this at Kohl's and it was on sale and I decided to give it a go. And I am so glad I did because I love it. If you've been a long time watcher, you guys know that the Nivea Kiss of Milk and Honey is my absolute favorite lip treatment along with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. However, I have now added this to my collection of favorites, and as I'm filming this, Kohl's still has these on sale, and they're doing the sale both in person and online, so you can go ahead and snag one of these online. They are currently $3.50 and normally are $5. I cannot recommend this enough, and it has strawberry extract in it, and it took me the longest time to figure out what it tasted like, and it tastes like red Skittles. It is super moisturizing and it tastes good, and now I want to stock up in case these for some reason disappear. Next up is my Ipsy subscription. I actually got my first Ipsy bag back at the end of April. My friend actually had a free Ipsy bag she could give away to a friend so that they could try it, and she gave it to me, so I went ahead and tried it. I used to have Ipsy back when I was in high school, but then I canceled it when I went to college, but I am back on the Ipsy bandwagon, and I absolutely loved all of my April and May products that came in my Ipsy bags. I also have a hairbrush favorite. It is the Revlon Detangle and Smooth Cushion hairbrush, and I absolutely love it. It glides through your hair so smoothly, and I would definitely say it's very similar to a wet brush, but this is way better. And the last product in terms of beauty and stuff is a scent, specifically the scent Pink Palm from Good Chemistry. I actually featured this in a video last summer and last year, and they have made a comeback for a favorites again this year, because let me tell you, this is literally the best scent out there. If I had to pick one scent that I could only wear for the rest of my life, it would definitely be this. And as you guys can see, I have it in the body spray, the actual perfume, as well as the rollerball perfume. We all know I suck at describing smells, but basically this smells like very fresh and summery. I have no other way of explaining it. They have essential oils in them that help make them smell so good, and I don't ever really hear people talk about the company Good Chemistry, which I don't know why, because this stuff is bomb. And I get so many compliments on the fragrance that I am wearing. The 5 favorites I have left are all pretty random. The first one is Tylenol. These are brand new, and these are the Tylenol Dissolve packs for adults. Normally, like chewables and liquids and this kind of stuff only comes for children, but they now make a dissolvable packet for adults, and they just look like this. They are cute little powdered packets, and you literally tear off the top and put it in your mouth. You don't need water or anything like that, so they are great for on the go, because obviously when you are taking like adult swallowable Tylenol, you need water. However, with these you don't, so they are perfect for on the go. And these ones are in the berry flavor. And at first I was worried that it was going to be kind of like dry scooping pre-workout and how like you die when you do that, but there is no issues whatsoever. It's basically like pouring a packet of the crystal light powdered drink stuffs on your tongue. These next two are both related. This is a wax warmer and my favorite wax scent for right now, and this is one of the nightlight ones. It is from Better Homes and Gardens, and the style for this one is hobnail, and I actually do have it in the full-size version as well. However, it's up on my bookshelf and I didn't want to take it down for this. It is just this really pretty blue color and has this texture around it, and I absolutely love it. I am a huge wax melter. I actually have an entire video on how I store my waxes and my collection for that. I will leave it down below for you guys if you're interested in seeing it. If you guys like an updated one, let me know. And I really like that with the nightlight, it comes with this cover, but still allows the scent to melt. And the scent I've been absolutely obsessed with to go with it is a really great summer scent. This is also from Better Homes and Gardens, and it is the Caribbean Sea Breeze scent. I just got the big pack because I already went through one of these smaller ones, and it literally just smells like summer in a wax melt. It definitely has like a coconutty, sea salt, beach scent to it. I also have a phone case favorite. This one is an OtterBox. It is the OtterBox Symmetry series, and this is just what it looks like. It is for the iPhone 11, and I do only have an XR, so it does look funny. But on all the iPhone 11 cases now, they are putting iPhone XRs as well because they fit perfectly fine. There's just this little space right here. I found this one at TJ Maxx for $12.99, and it was the last one, and I'm so happy I got it. It's like a translucent pink case with all these flowers on it, and I absolutely love it. And then the last thing before I go and talk about this necklace is a scrub top from Cherokee, I believe, and it has raccoons on it. If you guys don't know, raccoons are my absolute favorite animals. If I could have one as a pet, I would. And this was all the way at the back of the store, and I saw it from the front of the store, and I ran and grabbed it. It is so cute, and it says "Stay Curious" on it, and just has a bunch of different raccoons and flowers, and it has great pockets, and I have been wearing it a ton. If you guys would like an updated scrub collection, definitely let me know. I have a ton of new pattern scrubs to show you guys if you want to see. Now we are making a full circle back to the product I was talking about at the beginning, which is my sunflower necklace, and this just came from Amazon, and it's really cool because it's actually one of those necklaces that you can put cremation remains into. It's like a little urn necklace. I absolutely love this thing. The quality of it is amazing. I was really hesitant when I was ordering it because it's like $40, and I was like, I don't want it to come and be one of those cheap products that breaks, but I have been wearing it since the day I got it, and I have had no issues. There's no discoloration or anything, and it is specifically by the brand Onefinity. It came in this cute little box, and it also came with all the tools you could need. It comes with a little mini screwdriver, an extra screw, the little funnel to get the ashes into the little hole, as well as like a pick to push them down. And the really cool thing about this necklace is that from the outside, it simply looks like a sunflower necklace, but then you can open it and pull it apart, and it has a little pendant, and it says, "You are my sunshine." And the reason this necklace is so special is because it has my cat's ashes in it. Like I was talking at the beginning of the video, I lost him this month. So those are just my May favorites. May was definitely a rough month, but like I mentioned in the beginning, if you want to hear all about my best friend Hermie, I will leave the video linked down below. Warning you now, it's really sad and I cry a lot, but it is a video I really wanted to do. If you guys liked this video and would like me to continue doing favorites, definitely let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you would become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!